Assalamu alaikum. Today in the Wazwan series I am going to show you how Phirni is made in Wazwan. This video has been made with the help of Kashmiri local chefs or Wazas. Phirni or Semolina pudding is served as dessert in Wazwan. So let's get started. In Wazwan, Phirni is made from powdered milk. Here you can see they have taken powdered milk and mixed it with water, and now they are adding it in a vessel. And then they have added milk mead or condensed milk, around 200 grams of condensed milk. Then they are adding custard powder. They have mixed it with water. It's around 50 grams of custard powder. They have mixed with water. In Wazwan, custard powder is used for flavor and color. Or you can use saffron milk or even rose water for rose flavor. So it depends on you which kind of flavor you want and whatever is available with you. Then they will be adding semolina or Sooji and sugar. Sugar you need to be careful because milk mead is already sweet and milk powder also is a little sweet. So you can adjust according to your taste. And then they will be adding dry fruits and keep it on flame for cooking. It's been kept on flame and they will keep stirring it because it should not get too thick and it should not have running consistency also. They will keep stirring till they get the desired consistency. For around 15 to 20 minutes they have kept it on flame, and here you can see it's thickened now. Here it's done. Here you can see the consistency also, and it will thicken a bit when it's cold because it's served cold. Now they have transferred it to the serving bowls and it's cold also. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns, and do check out my other Wazwan videos too. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.